Python programming series. Today we are going to do syntax in Python. Syntax is one of the basic aspects as far as Python programming is concerned. You will find out that in other programming languages, syntax is used for the readability of the code, whereas in Python, syntax is very important since it is used to indicate a block of code. Let's say, for example, let's write a code here, a simple code to print 5 is greater than 2. You can give name of our code file, that is syntax. Since we are doing syntax, then we can use the if 5 is greater than 2, we print 5 and 2. Save our work, then we run the code. It's going to be printed 5 is greater than 2. Let's remove now the space here, indentation. Delete that. If we delete that, then try to save our work. File, save. When we run our code, we are going to get an error. That is the indentation error. The error says expected an indented block after if statement on line 1. And basically, that is what we are expecting here. It means that indentation in Python is very critical.